hear people say you wash your hair 3 times a week or wash your hair 2 times a week. I don't understand. Do we have all this time and I don't know about it? In order for you to grow your hair healthy, strong and thick, you need to keep it simple. You don't really need to do much. You don't really need to get all the products or do everything that you see out there. No. First thing I will tell you is this. Try and listen to your hair. When you listen to your hair, you'll be able to know what to apply on your hair and what not to apply on your hair. Growing hair isn't that hard as we see it. To me, I feel the simplest because I've come to understand my hair. I've come to realize that it's not as hard as you think. So, first thing I will let you know is this. It seems as if we are forgetting our history, how our parents or how our mothers do it back then. Because the recent trend now is really deviating or really taking our mind off from history or off from how African women grew their hair in the past. If you look back to history, you will understand that in order for you to grow your hair, you need to braid your hair. Yes, I said braid your hair and I mean braiding your hair. You need to braid your hair to start with. Because I can remember when we were still small, we always braid our hair either all back or we do African threading. Yes, I think that is virtually all I can remember back then. And we don't even do much then as far as I can remember. But this new trend now that is going about, it's making us to forget that it's not as hard as it is or as we are meant to see it. First and foremost, you need to start braiding your hair. Braid your hair. Braid it. I say braid it. Cornrow. It's something. Mini twist. Just as I'm having like this. It's something. And that ideology that your hair don't grow, your hair grows. Every single day, your hair grows. Take it from about. And another thing I want to talk about is we are forgetting that back in the days they use grease. Yes, you heard me right. They use grease or butter or oils. Yes, they use it back in the days to grow hair. Even as I am talking to you now, I still use grease on my hair to grow out my hair. We've forgotten Vaseline. Vaseline now we think that it doesn't do anything unless you buy most of those store-bought or those things that is being displayed in our front these days. Grease, grow your hair. Go back to using grease and you come back here to thank me later. Then another thing I want to talk about here is the issue of washing your hair. I hear people say you wash your hair 3 times a week or wash your hair 2 times a week. I don't understand. Do we have all this time and I don't know about it? Imagine me washing my hair every week or 2 times a week. Forgive me, but I cannot do that. I know back then they wash their hair only like me. I'll tell you the honest truth. I wash my hair when I feel my hair is dirty. It depends on how I've exposed my hair out there to dust or the kind of product I've used on my hair that is causing build up, or if I've used a lot of product on my hair, then I'll say I wash my hair in once a month. But sometimes I stay up to 2-3 months before I wash my hair. Yes, I said so. Because most of the times I'm in a protective hairstyles. Sometimes I do sew in. Sometimes I just do like mini twist or braids like this. Or if it is cornrow, I cornrow my hair 2-3 times before I am able to wash it. Washing your hair every day, this neat. It dey shock me, but that is just the truth. Let it not be as if I'm telling you what to do. Do what works for you. If you have all the time in the world to wash your hair every day, please do that. If you have all the time in the world to wash your hair 2 times, 3 times in a week, please do that. But for those that are too busy to even stay, do you know what washing hair is? Okay, unless if you're the type that you take your hair to the salon for them to wash for you. But for someone like me, since I started my hair journey, I wash my hair myself. In order for me to know where not retailing length is coming from. Because most of the time, it's excessive washing or you giving your hair to someone that is not trustworthy. And you end up losing a lot of hair. So the issue of washing your hair every day. I don't buy the idea. Or 2 times a week or 3 times a week. But anyhow, just do what works for you. That is fine. Then another thing I want to talk about is, who said you need to break a bank to grow your hair? Or who says you need a million and thousands and billions of products to grow your hair? You don't need that. I get confused when people say they have this product, buy this, buy this. My dear, you don't need to buy all the products in the whole world in order for you to grow your hair. Little thing goes a long way. As little as just having your grease, any hair cream of your choice that you can get, as easy as having your hair cream or even your hair oil, even if it is olive oil, as easy as having those, your hair will definitely grow. You don't need millions of products in order for you to grow your hair. As little as using aloe vera in your hair. I preach about using aloe vera a lot because it is a natural thing that you can use to grow your hair, and you won't regret it. As easy as using that, you can use that alone to grow out your hair. You don't need to have billions of products, or you don't need to have millions of products in order for you to grow your hair. And that takes me back to what I said in the beginning. Study your hair, listen to your hair, know what will work for your hair, because what I'm using for my hair may not work for your own hair. So if there's nothing else that you are taking from this video, just take this one thing, which is study your hair. Study your hair. Know your hair type, know your hair porosity. If you don't know, research it. You can get tons of videos on how to check your hair porosity. It's not bad for you to try out things in the early stage, in order for you to be able to stumble at the one that works for you. It's not a bad idea. But you thinking that you need to spend $1 million, or you thinking that you need to have millions of products in order for you to grow your hair, no, my lady, no. No. You don't really need that much. All you need is to make sure that your hair is not tightly braided. So I don't know if this video have been able to be helpful. I don't know. But if it has been helpful to you in a way, please do it to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, so that it will help you to push this video out there for others. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'm not too busy to answer your questions. If you have any video idea you'd like me to make, please feel free in the comment section. Share the video. I really appreciate it. And that for your friends, your family to be able to get this knowledge, get it, one or two things from this video, and to add to their hair growth journey. So I don't want this video to be too long. Let's just stop it here. If there's anything that you feel I didn't mention, or if there's anything you feel that I didn't say in this video, you can always write it in the comment section. So till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay fabulous. It's still your girl. Have a lovely day. Bye.